Hello everyone. In this video, we will upgrade our interactions with electric devices. So we will not see a message in console window. We need to see something on UI. So let's go to 2D mode and let's go to our canvas and let's start adding some panels. So let's go to create UI and create a panel. Let's change the anchors. Perfect. So now let's go to this canvas. Actually, we need to create a new script. Go to scripts, create C# script. Let's call this electric UI. So here in this script, we will handle anything related to UI. So first of all, let's make a singleton, an instance of this script, so we can reach it from anywhere. Let's call this instance, and in the awake we should set this instance to this object. So let's remove these functions, and right here we need to make some variables. So let's make a header and let's call this device name panel repair. And if you don't know what headers does, it's make some headline in inspector window. I will show you a little bit later. So first of all, we need a game object, and this will be device name panel. And also we need to add a text, which is our device name text. So device name text. And we need to create two functions. One for show device name, and this will take string as a parameter, and the parameter will be device name. So first of all, we need to turn the panel on. So device name panel dot set active true, and after that we need to set the new value of the text. So device name text dot text is equal to device name, and we need also uh, one more function to hide this panel. So hide device name panel. So right here we only need to hide the panel by game object dot set active false. Perfect. One more thing, we need to make a function, and we will call this hide all, because we will be creating another panels in the future, and so we should not see more than panel in one time. So in hide all function, we will hide all the panels we will create. Okay, and we need to call this before showing uh, this panel actually, because if you have any panel is already showing, we need to hide it before showing our device name panel. So right now we should go to device detector, hit the Unity compile. Let's go to our player. Let's go to our device detector. So right here, after we detecting some, after we detecting any device, we should say electric UI instance show sorry, dot. I can't reach the instance. Let's check out this. Oh, I didn't make it static. Sorry. Should make it static so we can reach it without an object of the class. So electric unit dot instance dot show device name, and the device name will be unit that we have detected dot unit name. And when we not detecting the device, we need to hide. We need to hide everything. So instance dot hide all. We will make the same right here. So now let's go to Unity and check what you have done. Let's hide this panel, and let's assign the variables to the script. Let's add electric UI script right here, and let's fill the scripts. The panel is right here, and the text is right here. And don't forget to change these names. So this is device name panel. So let's start the game. And now if you look to some object, you will see its name. If you look to the port, you'll see the name of the port. But actually, we don't need that to happen for every object. Like for this object, it's okay to see only the name. But if you're looking to the port, we not only need to see the name, we also need to see the value. So for this, we need different panels for each type of objects. So let's do that. We need to make a new panel. I will just duplicate this and make some changes. This should be bigger, I think. Let's make it 150. We'll have a name of the device. Also, you will have another text which shows us the value of this device. So, for example, this will be 15. Let's change the color and let's raise it. Yes, perfect. So let's go to the script right here and let's create a new variable set. So in header here you will say actually that panel was for ports. So let's say port data panel. Right here we will say port data panel, and right here we need two texts. So port name text, and also we need another text for the value of the text of the port. So port value text, and we need to make exactly the same logic here, a function for show the panel and a function for hide the panel. So public void show uh, show port data panel, and here we should get two parameters, a string for port name, and we should get an integer for value, the value of the port. Also, we need to create a function for hide this panel. So hide port data panel. And first of all, we need to show the object. So set active true, and we need to set the value of the text. So port name text is equal to port name, and port value text is equal to value string. Perfect. And when we're hiding, we only need to turn the object off, and don't forget to hide all before before showing the panel. And also we need to add this hide function to hide all function. Perfect. But right now we should make some changes in electric device detector tool. So let's go to player. Let's go to device detector. Right here we always calling the same function, so we don't want to do that. So let's remove this. We should stay hiding the panels when we are not detecting an object. But let's go, and we need actually to override this function in each object, so we can have a different behavior. So let's go to ports. Let's go to the ports. We have a port here. We can go to the script from here, and here I will say override on detected. So now we will change this, and we will call the UI function that shows ports data. So electric UI dot instance dot show port data, and here as a name you will send unit name, and as a value I will send the value. Perfect. We are using the same function, but we will have a different behavior right here. Very good. And in the base function, actually, I need to make also different behavior. We don't need to make any log anymore. We need to go to electric UI instance dot show device name. So originally, uh, when we're detecting a device, we will see its name, but if we override this function, we will see a different behavior. And this is the power of virtual functions actually. I am calling the same function, but I am getting different behavior. So let's go to Unity. Let's assign these slots. The panel for here, this was for the name, I think, yes. And this is for the value. And let's change this name right here, make it more organized. So for data panel, and this will be port name. This will be port value. And let's turn it off, and let's start the game. So now if we look to any object, we will see its name, and if you look to a port, we will see the name and the value. Perfect. So right now the value is 0 right here, and if we make some connection between this and this, and if we look again, we will see the value is changed. Now if we look to the power storage, we will see originally we are seeing the name of it. Perfect. But I think it's should not be in the middle of screen. Let's raise it up a little bit. So let's raise the both panels up. Let's show the panels and make it like that. This will be okay. This is too much, I think. How about that? Perfect. Let's turn them off. Restart the game. I think this will be good. Perfect. So this is all for this video. In the next video, I will make a special panel for power sources, and we will make a start for electric devices, because right now we are generating electricity, we are storing electricity, and we can make connection between ports. But one thing remaining is using this electricity. So see you in the next video.